As you begin to write larger and more complex programs, it becomes important to organize your code. There are a number of features Rust has to help us manage our code's organization, and they are packages, crates, modules, and paths. Packages allow us to build, test, and share crates. Crates are a tree of modules that produces a library or an executable. Modules let us control the organization, scope, and privacy of paths. And lastly, paths are a way of naming an item, such as a struct, function, or module. So what is a package? A package is one or more crates that is going to provide functionality. Inside a package is a Cargo.toml file with instructions on how to build those crates, which every time we have used Cargo new, we have been provided with a Cargo.toml file, which is what I have displayed here. And if we had any dependencies in our code, we would be able to see them listed here. So what Cargo new does is creates a new package. And then inside our directory, we have a Cargo.toml file here and also a source directory. This directory isn't mentioned in the Cargo.toml file because Cargo follows a convention that source/main.rs is the crate root of a binary crate, and source/lib.rs, which we will see in the next lecture, is going to define a library crate. The crate allows us to keep related functionality together. That way it is easy for us to use in different projects when we reference the crate's name. So now let's take a look at modules and let's build out our first library.